Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Now, you may remember this little tag treat that I made in Facebook Live, and I was going to make two of them and make one with wrapped in plaid, wrapped in plaid, but I ran out of battery, so I said, oh, I'd do it another time. So yeah, I'm doing it again. I'm slightly different. The mats are slightly different because I needed to make the gold wider because I'm going to punch a Christmas tree out of it, being a bit frugal. So I'll put that to one side. So all the measurements will be on nigezza.co.uk. But what we've got, this bit's the same, 2 inches by 7 7/8, but the mat's slightly different. So these two are 2 7/8 by 1 7/8, and these two are 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. So they're only going to have a little bit of a margin, and that's because I want to punch my tree out, but I'm going to heat emboss it first. And I've just noticed when you cut foil, you sometimes get a ridge. I actually cut it on the back side. Sounds a bit rude. So I've just got little ridges there, so I'm just going to rub them out. Okay, so I only need one tree, but I thought I may as well do two. So I've done myself a little template here. So I cut a bit of cardstock that is exactly the same size so that I can follow that for stamping my tree, because if I'm off, it's not going to mat. Okay, so got a bit of Versamark here, so I'm going to do heat embossing on the foil, and just to make it look a little bit special. Okay, so I'm going to stamp through there, and then I'm gonna, because I'm not sure on this foil how much time you've got with your embossing powder, so I'm gonna do them straight away, just in case. So I only need one, but I may as well do them both. Yep, that's fine. So let's do this one. There we go, just to make sure that I can punch this out and it will still mat on without showing the edges, just like to stretch my stash, as you know. And it's nice to get two for the price of one. Right, not got it down the sides there. There we go. This is the first time I am embossing on foil. I have seen others do it, so I thought I'd give it a whirl. Get rid of that. Right. And because it's such a small piece, I'm going to hold it with a pair of tweezers. And I'm going to put my heat tool on so it will get noisy now. Don't know if you're getting glare there. So that has, oh, I missed a bit on that corner. There. I might try this from above. go. So it does curl your foil a little bit, as you've seen, but it is going to get stuck down, so it doesn't really matter. So I did one from the top and one from the bottom. Don't actually think it makes much odds, really. So they're done. So I'm going to leave those dry a little bit whilst I do the scoring on this, just in case it is different on that. So we are going to score at 3 3/4 on the long side, 3 3/4, and then 4 1/8, and that gives you 3/8 of an inch there, which is just right for the little mini green and blacks chocolate. So we'll just give that a fold and a burnish, and then we'll bring in our tag topper punch. Of course, if you've got other things that are slightly wider, then you can adjust accordingly. There we go. I think I've trimmed that slightly off, but it doesn't matter. Right, so that's that. So we need to get these stuck down now. So we're going to punch out our trees. Oh, a little bit of rogue ribbon came in there. This is my phone telling me that my battery's low, which I did kind of know, but I was hoping that I would manage. Right, just gonna put a little arm on the back there because it is a small piece. Lovely jubbly. Do the same on this side. So we'll have a spare one unless I decide decorate the back as well as the front. I might do. There we are. So they look quite nice with the embossing. It's very subtle, but very nice. I like it. I've got my calendar there telling me I've got guides tonight. I did forget once, so ever since then I've set a reminder, and of course ever since then I've never forgot. So I'm going to mat these two together and they will just fit nicely. So I'll just use the snail because I've got it there. So we've got a really small margin. Because we've only cut it an 1/8 difference, so we've got a margin of about a 1/16 there. I'm gonna not use the I'm going to use Tombow to stick this on because it's a little bit heavier. So again, we've got a smaller margin than the snowman one. because if we'd done it the same sizes as the other one, ooh, just moved it there, we wouldn't have been able to punch the tree out. There we go, and then I do like to save my stash. I think I'm going to have to go for that one. Why I like wigglage, I don't know why I didn't just do this. Because it was foil, and it might not have stuck so well. It'd have been slip sliding. There we go, nearly at the end of that Tombow. Got one left. I don't really want to open the one I've got left until I know for sure we can order Tombow again. There we go. And then I'm going to stick that on there. So put a chocolate bar in there. I've actually only got the one, so I'll take it out of there and stick it in there. There is a glue dot on the back there. And then I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of that. To stick that up. Stick that in the middle there. Use this for another project. And then I've got some of our lovely shaded spruce ribbon to go on top. There we go. And I'm just going to poke that through. And then I've got another lovely treat for the Christmas table. There we are. So that's the snowman version, and then that's the Christmas tree version. So we've got elegant and stylish, and we've got cute. So yeah. Hope you like that. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. You should be able to click a link there. Please like and subscribe. Go and explore some more. I might link to that one, so you can get that one if you haven't seen it already. Links to my shop down below. Links to my shop there if you wish to purchase anything. Okay, bye-bye now.